We are Bonneville Salt Flats. The draggy is inside being set up. If you don't know what that is, I'll get into that in just a moment. I did check the tire pressures, made sure that the truck is safe because we will be seeing what the top speed of this truck is. They are Q-rated tires, which means 100 miles per hour is the maximum that they can go. So I don't know when the speed limiter comes in on this truck, but I'm assuming it's around 100 miles an hour since that's all the tires are rated for. But we're gonna go inside. We got the draggy set up. Let's take a look at that. And let's go ahead and do our first pass. All right, we have the draggy set up. We're doing 0 to 30, 0 to 60, eighth mile, quarter mile, half mile, and 1 mile NHRA rules. We do have a GoPro watching the dash display right there. We have the Banks iDash recording data as we speak. And we're gonna go ahead and let it rip. All right, draggy is right here. Hopefully it stays put. We're gonna go put this into drive. We will power brake it. Let's go to 1500. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, we just buried the rear tires. Let's stop. Okay. All right, so we can't launch. Let's do a reset. All right, we're gonna go a more moderate launch here. Let's do just above 1,000, and away we go. Still a little bit of spin. Oh, it's all spin. All right, let's get a better game plan on this. This is tough. A lot tougher than I expected. Let's get past the donuts right here. And let's go ahead and go right here. So this is really tough. I did not expect this to be slippery. Even though that common sense would tell you it's slippery out there because it's all salt and wet. All right, reset. Let's just do a casual. Let's see what the top speed is. We can't do a launch at all. We're casually rolling. You can see the draggy. All right, I'm rolling into the throttle now. Okay, and now we're foot to the floor. Got a little bit of wandering. Got 75. Got 90. 95. I let up because this is a little concerning holding the camera. So I need both hands on the wheel. All right, so let's just go ahead and stop here. I didn't hear any readings of this, but there's our first run. I do like that I have this line. I need to set up the camera where I'm not holding it. All right, and we will do, let's do 1,000 RPM launch again. Draggy. Okay, here we go. All right, there we go. Got 80. $92. $94. 98, speed limiter hit, dash displays it. All right, we're gonna slowly bring it down. Wow, I will say, being on these salt flats, it is not perfectly smooth like you would expect. And it definitely, you could feel it wander. So guys hitting 200, 300, 400 miles an hour on this, that is absolutely bonkers, I'll tell you that much. So we're gonna bring it down to a stop right here. Engine coolant temp sitting at 178. So the truck knew we're going into performance mode. And yeah, let's take a look at our draggy results right here. I don't know, 1 mile took us 52.59. That was pretty cool. So speed limited to 98 miles an hour as expected because we have 100-mile rated tires on this thing. Let's see what we could do for some fuel economy.